Are you feeling lost or uncertain about your life's purpose? Do you want to find meaning and direction in your journey? In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of discovering your unique life purpose. First, take time to reflect on your passions, interests, and values. Ask yourself what brings you joy and fulfillment. Consider the activities that make you lose track of time. Next, explore different career paths that align with your passions and values. Research industries and professions that resonate with you. Seek guidance from mentors or career counselors who can offer valuable insights. Once you have identified your potential direction, set clear and specific goals to pursue your purpose. Break down these goals into smaller, manageable steps. Take action daily towards your goals, no matter how small the progress may seem. Remember to stay focused and motivated, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Embrace the process of self-discovery and growth as you pursue your unique life purpose. Take time to learn new skills and develop knowledge in your chosen field. Network with like-minded individuals who share similar aspirations and interests. Engage in activities that expand your horizons and expose you to new perspectives. Embrace opportunities to use your skills and talents to make a positive impact in the world. Keep an open mind and be willing to adapt and evolve along your journey. Learn from your experiences and integrate the lessons into your path. Celebrate your achievements and acknowledge the progress you have made so far. Surround yourself with a supportive community that uplifts and encourages you. Stay true to yourself and align your actions with your values and aspirations. Remember that your life purpose may evolve over time, so stay open to new possibilities. Challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone and explore new avenues. Trust that you have what it takes to achieve your unique life purpose. Believe in yourself and your abilities to make a difference in the world. When you live in alignment with your life purpose, you will experience a sense of fulfillment and contentment. Your journey towards discovering and pursuing your unique life purpose starts now. Take the first step towards a purpose-driven life and unlock your full potential. Remember, the world needs your unique contributions, so go out there and make a difference. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos.